Let me fill up the settlement and the deposit details. Go to the field list. In order to speed up the process, I'm going to insert all the fields instead of going one by one. So just insert more rows. And let me see what I need to get. I'm going to add 7 fields here. The first one is the settlement transaction number. So that's the first one for the transaction number. I'll do the transaction reference first. So the next one is the settle post date. And I'm going to have 2 dates, settlement post date and the settlement transaction date. Because the time that you bank in the money and the time that you receive the check may be different. When you audit, you will have cutoff problems. So that's why I separate that into 2 dates. Okay, and the next one is the settle bank account. So this one is the settle bank account. You need to tell which bank account you're banking your money in or you're paying check. Okay, and settlement bank currency. Next one is the settle transaction item. This is the nature of the bank. I'll go over that later. And the last one is the settlement amount. So it'll be the settlement amount. And they are all inside my Bookkeep interface. So let me just right click, paste the value, save it. I'm going to enter different language description here. Let me go back to the bookkeeping interface. On the right hand side of the line, I'm going to insert the columns here. Let me see what I need to do. I think I need to add 5 more columns. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 is the settle trans number. So this one is settle post date and this one settle trans date. Copy that, Ctrl V, settle bank account, settle bank currency. Just copy that, save it. Settle trans item and settle amount. Copy that. Just make it a little bit nicer by removing the border. Resize it a little bit. Okay, save it. Let me copy the currency and then paste to the settlement currency here. Ctrl V. So we are using the same stuff. And let me delete it and I can select the currency here. Okay, actually I'm going to save it before because the particular in the bank account is going to be a little bit tricky. So I'll leave it for the next video. Okay.